Hi guys, you're welcome to Lexyducation channel, and today we'll be looking at word problems. The first question says, if 3/4 of a certain number is 10 more than 1/3 of the number, what is the number? So whenever you're solving problems like this, the first thing you should try to do is to say, let the number be x. Well, not necessarily x, it can be any other number. So let's pick another number, another alphabet, sorry. Let the number be y. So we go back to the question. If 3/4 of a certain number simply means that if 3/4 of y is 10 more than 1/3 of the number, equals to, the is there is signifies equality, is 10 more than 1/3 of the number. That is 1/3 of the number. What is the number of y? Okay, plus what? 10. So I needed to just understand what I'm doing. So this is what it simply is saying. If three quarter of a certain number is 10 more than 1/3 of the number, what is the number? So you all know that in mathematics, of actually signifies multiplication. So this simply means 3/4 times y equals 1/3 times y plus 10. So this is simply going to give me 3y/4 equals y/3 plus 10. Now I'm going to collect like terms. The like terms here are y/3 and 3/4. So y/3 crosses to the other side and it becomes minus because it is a positive number right now. So it becomes minus y/3 equals 10. So the next thing I'll do is to find the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now 4 goes into 12 3 times 3y gives me 9y minus, so 3 goes into 12 4 times y equals 4y. So we have 4y equals 10. And I'm going to continue here. So I have 5y/12 equals 10. Now I'm simply going to cross multiply. So I'm left with 5y equals 12 times 10. So 5y equals 120 because 12 times 10 is 120. Then I'll divide through by the coefficient of y, which is 5. So this cancels this. So 5 here 1, 5 here is 2, 4. So the number is 24. So that's your final answer, 24. So